They say you go come here.
You go come here.
Go come here.
It will walk. You walk down.
It's coming.
It's coming. Just stay. It will come.
No go here now.
It go come now. If I stay here now. Only the guy don't they come now. Yes. And then I come out, Joe.
No one move. Go fast. Time it down.
Time it don't go.
Yes. Already finished the
Hello, ma.
Yes. Officially communicated.
Yes, like I said yesterday, it's our routine job to make sure that the promises made by the contractors, whether they're going to fulfill, and so that we know that finally what we're going to brief Mr. President. But one would say that we're happy, and then those of you who saw the job that was done by CGC or OSEX to WASA, that's completed 100%. We also went to N20, the interchange that leads you to Kubwa. It's almost set. We're here. We believe we have discussed with the contract, the margin to the country. This will also be completed as part of our projects for Mr. President to inaugurate during his anniversary for his second year in office. Frankly speaking, like I've always said, the people of Abuja deserve the best, and the contractors are doing their best. I can assure you that. For me, there cannot be anything less. Mr. President has said before, Nigeria deserves the best, and we will do everything we can to make sure that we give them the best. You can see the infrastructure in terms of road is unimaginable. I will continue to do that. All we are saying is the citizens, the residents also to perform their own obligation so that we all work together for the interests of Abuja and the entire Nigerians. But we're happy, I must tell you the truth. The contractors are doing very, very well with the kind of quality jobs that we have seen. We're very happy.
Your Excellency, sir, one feature we have observed at that Wasa, unlike what we used to see other places, there is not a street light there. Is it an oversight or what?
You remember that this job, that of Sex 2 leading to Wasa was not awarded by this administration. That was a job that was awarded by previous administration over 10 years ago. But the spirit and the continuity spirit Mr. President has, which he said we must complete all those projects. One of the time we went to visit, I asked this question, and he said, well, as at that time, it was not included. And I did direct that we must have street lights on that road. As I speak to you, CGT has submitted their quotation for the street light, even though it will not be part of the coming inauguration process. But what is important, that we are bent on providing street light to enable to improve on security in those areas. So go home and sleep with your two eyes closed, that we are going to put street lights in that of Sex 2. Airport to Wasa. And look at, even without that, look at how the residents of Apo, the poor mechanic share trading in the market, so they are happy they are there. So they are sure that all those things will be done.
Okay, Your Excellency, sir, today is exactly 2 years of Mr. President in office, and you are not from the party, but you took this job to ensure that the country is rebuilt. After these 2 years, what is your assessment on the renewal agenda of Mr. President?
The assessment, if you have to take, for example, on the FCT, where I superintend by his mandate, you know that Mr. President has done very, very well. Very, very well. It's unprecedented. I know the problem I have in this country is that even if you don't like somebody as a person, but when he does the good thing, you say, look, yes, I'm not in good terms with him, I don't like him. However, he's doing well, or he has done well. Opposition does not necessarily mean anything good you say is bad. Mr. President has done tremendously well. And that's why you see every look and corner of this country, everybody said, look, given that opportunity again, in the next 2 years, 4 years, you'll see what is going to happen. So I am quite happy with the achievements Mr. President has recorded, particularly as it concerns the federal capital territory. It had never happened before. Just to accept the simple truth. All of us were critics that Abuja has not been working, and Abuja is working. Who has made it to work? It's Mr. President. So I always like to concentrate and focus on the assignment that we are purely responsible. So Mr. President has done very well. Very, very well, I can tell you that.
We can see residents of FCT chanting 4+4. What does that mean to you, sir?
I'm not a student of that. They know. They know what they are saying 4+4, that Mr. President has done 4 years. They should give Mr. President another 4 years. That's what it means by 4+4. For us, we are just appointees. We are not elected by the people. It's the only president that has appointed us. And we want to thank Almighty God that we have that opportunity to be part of history making, that Nigerians can really see indeed there's a New Hope agenda.
Sorry for taking your time, sir. Another question which is very, very important, and it is also worrisome, addressing the FCT, this issue of the students, primary school students still at home. Said despite all the effort we have made to ensure that they are back to class, but the area council chairman still remain adamant. Doesn't mean that they are too powerful that cannot be called to order.
I don't know what you mean by too powerful. All I would do, they were elected, they were not appointed. And so we are talking to them to understand that, look, this democracy, one thing you must know is that denying people education is that trying to say that you are causing a coup in the country or in FCT. Well, you know, we can and be assured that everything is being done to see that the teachers go back. But you see, the problem we have, just like what you said, we have committees of the FCT in House of Reps and the Senate. We have chairman of them, of the area councils. The chairman of committees of area councils, their responsibility is to oversee what the area councils are doing, because the legislature of the FCT today is National Assembly. That's what the chairman of House Committee of the National Assembly has to look at the problem in the area councils. But it's unfortunate they concentrate in just inviting a minister to come and defend. I've never seen in my life where the minister defended a budget and another House Committee chairman of area council will tell another minister of state to come and present a budget. People don't do what they're supposed to do. They concentrate on things that do not fall within their jurisdiction. By now, I thought that the chairman of the area, of the FCT area council, would have come up to say, look, chairman of area councils, this is not right. What do we need to solve this problem? But they will focus on irrelevant things, trying to see how there's the division, there's the discord in the city, but we have said those things would not work. But we go home and sleep well. Very soon, this problem will be sorted out regarding the primary school teachers, because nobody can feel happy where the teachers at home is a basic thing that we must do. And I can assure you, very soon, that matter will resolve. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
By the close of today, we'll cover this side. Because of the rain, the plan must have been.
The rain was yesterday. The rain was yesterday.
The rain this morning.
This morning?
Yes, sir.
Why did it?
I didn't see that. I don't know.
I didn't see rain this morning. The rain was special to you. They are all put like that.
Yes, I put it. This one will have solar lights. Oh, yes.
I'll come out to Gary.
For years, now as he grow.
Hello, let's move.
All cross.
See, don't wait for them. Go after them. Sometimes you don't allow them to
Go behind yourself.
They will come this way. They go your
Hey, let's start. I'll see you in a minute.